Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good afternoon. We here. Let's see what we got. All right, let me see here. Confirm. Start. What up, Wayne? All right, looking for some opportunities here. Might get one now. I'm kind of pushing here. ES reclaiming that 64. Let's see what we get here. Let's see here. Do we continue to push, or do we push back down? Kind of getting a breakout. So I'm going to keep a short stop on this. If it gets back below the previous day close here, I'll probably take this off. I'm going to go ahead and add two more there. I'm going to look for the run up into the 25,040. Let's see. See if we get the squeeze here. Got a 5-minute gap right here at the 990s. Going to need us to kind of blast through that. If we can close on the 5-minute above 25,003, kind of where my first target is, then should go. Got trend line liquidity here, so that's what we're counting on. Running that. We'll go stop to break even here at the first target, most likely. Been kind of coming close to my targets lately today and just pulling back. Come on, push it back through there. 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle too. Come on, rip it. What up, Tech T? Just holding up there at the 25K. I'm trying to be patient, but like, man, it's only 2 points away. No real reason to stop here other than the 25K level. I'm going to go ahead and take 2 off there, and of course it'll blast now. Hola, Eric. Hola. New 5-minute candle open here. We did not inverse on the 5-minute. Kind of annoying. Let me see. It's a little too late for me to jump in over here on this account. I still might do it for the push through. There we go. So look for it to run all this low resistance liquidity, this trend line liquidity that it generated there. We're looking for it to run. In fact, I'll probably just go 1 micro here, and then we'll get a little runner into the end of the day. Exclamation point MM if you want to enter the giveaway for a 50K core account from MyFunded Futures. Enter the chat there if you want to enter. Still squeezing. Looking like this 5-minute is going to probably inverse. Actually, I should take the first target, 39. Yeah, I'm right there at it, 39. All right, perfect. Should be 39 on the dot, though. So let's go down to 39. Based on the 5-minute. We'll take 1 off at 39, and then the second one, we're going to hold a little lotto runner into the end of the day. Little lotto runner. As you're coming in, please hit the like button. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. We're at 79.99. 79.99. Who else is along with me here? I see no real reason for this thing to stop. I think we hit 25.40. It's kind of the low-hanging fruit there. What up, Poco? Yeah, I don't see any reason to stop here. And two mics here. Here. 2 mics. Anybody join us on MyFunded Futures TV today? We killed it with a 100-point trade. Didn't trade the best this morning off rip, but you know, you're going to have days like that. Previous high 25.060. Yeah, I see that up there. That's right where that 4-hour inverse is. I talked about that on the stream. I said if we close above 25.060 by 2 p.m., I think we'd be bullish for the rest of the day. If not, then we may get a pullback. So you can see we didn't close above it. We did not close above it. You know, we pulled back 124 points. So the 5-minute's about to inverse here. The 5-minute is working on an inversion. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's do it. Let me listen to a little funky Cole Medina. Let's jam out to a little funky Cole Medina over here. I can't let you guys hear it. Little Tone Loc, if you know. Old school.
I dig it. Come on.
My Fun of Futures TV, yes. I can't get no satisfaction. Funky Cole Medina. The 5-minute did inverse. Let's go. Those TPs are not normal. I don't know. I don't know, Raul. You're not wrong. Yeah, previous day close held. Let that bounce right there. Bam. I didn't take that, but the recovery there of it was nice. Trendline liquidity. Thank you, Raul. Yeah, it was a nice trade. We're about to bang another 57 pointer. Salt and pepper. Push it. Salt and pepper. ES is at the highs, guys.
Dresser was a big old mess. Shayna was a man.
Not a man. Not a man. Yes, at the highs here. We need a little spike candle here. We're still going to have a runner going beyond this. Kind of playing how high can you go here. Dark, cold cobble street of London. Nice. Can we get through there? I mean, I'll probably just take it if the ES pops through the high and it doesn't hit it. And leave the runner on. $303. All right, come on. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Man, it's just holding up at that level there. Might be a triple top here on the ES. Let's hope not. All right, ES took the high there. Got me. All right. Stop to break even. And let's just see how high we can go. I got no target. No target. I'll tell you what about two 100-point trades in a day? Let's go for 983.75. Short it, says Mo. Think your name is too complicated if I start to stream on YouTube? Convergence? Not really. Maybe get rid of the space. That's the one thing I would change about my name, and I may eventually. I could change it now. Is taking away the underscore from Methodical Man. The sky is indeed the limit. But yeah, I'll probably take that underscore off Methodical Man. I could do it now. Yeah, you get rid of the con. Yeah, that's true too. I think con divergence is fine. It is a long name. Your code could be con. Con. So we're up $880 on this account now. We should at least hit the 50. At least hit the 50. At least 50. We're getting into some old music now. I ain't heard some of this stuff in a long time. 800. Yeah, after blowing those two accounts today. There it is. I don't know what got into me this morning. I really did not trade well, but I mean, it happens, right? Old music? Yeah, it is. It's definitely old music. 80s, 90s, 2000s. A lot of these songs came out when I was a kid. Let me look at my next upside. I don't even have the upside marked out on the ES. Let me see. Gangsta rap? Yeah, that's what I listen to a lot of. 6780. You know what I mean? All right, 80 to 85. 6805. Maybe we just squeeze into the end of the day here. Nice long, you the man, outer. Reason why I think we at least get to 50 is because that's the end of the low resistance liquidity. So that would be a really good target. It really would be a good target. 8 p.m. You still in the office? You and your Japanese boss? Dang. Get out of there, Mo. Get home. Come on, get home. Just get home. Go to your home. Let's give this thing some motivation. Oh. That's a clover. I don't know what that was. Oh, yikes. Reminds you of rolling up $100 bills, gacking it. I don't know what that was. That was supposed to just be an arrow, but it didn't come out quite right. It didn't come out quite right. Not the way we wanted it. Enter the giveaway, guys. 50K core account. My Fun of Futures will be given away. Can we squeeze it? The thing is, like, I know 25050 is a great target, but if we're truly bullish into the end of the day here, it could just go. Top Step News, reactivation, or the activation fees announced with fanfare, but didn't mention arguably the bigger change in the payout policy. Sneaky hobbits. Yeah, I did see that. So from what I understand, whatever your balance was at your first payout, you got to get the balance back to there for your second payout. Is that kind of the payout loophole thing that they did? Which, on one hand, it is a kind of a negative. On the other hand, depending upon how you trade, like if it was me, it wouldn't affect me all that much because I'd just be taking $500 at a time. So in order to get my balance back to 500 wouldn't be that big a deal. Oh, man, I almost wanted to jump in right there on this other account, but probably shouldn't. It's too high. And this is kind of the concern, right? ES made a new high there, Nasdaq did not. So kind of getting a pullback here. Looking for those home runs? Nah. Oh, you are? I'm not. I'm poor too. I'm not poor, but I'm not, we're not what I would consider wealthy. Come on. Give it to me. Maybe we consolidate here, build out a bull flag, and then break out above. I'd like to see us hold that 25,000 number, though. If we get another setup here, a long setup, I will add. I will be willing to add into it. You want a 50 touch on the 1 minute? I like the 50 touch on the 1 minute. Let's see where it is. It's down there at the 25K. Yeah, 50 touch actually would be pretty solid. I'm going to mark that out. Since I'm playing off the 2 minute right now, but let me see where that kind of lines up. Yeah, actually that lines up with the 21 EMA on the 2 minute too. That might not be a bad spot there if you did get the pull back into there to kind of get a little ad going. Might consider that too. Let me see. But we will have a hard stop on that. So I will take that 50 touch with a 40 tick, 10-point stop, take profit, and we'll go 5 micros. So we'll add here, look for the bounce, and be in and out in one play. And we can leave our original stop down there. We may not get it, though. Anybody else along? What you guys looking for? %38 retracement would be bullish. That's true. Didn't quite get it, huh? 38 would be like, yeah, that'd be right there. That would be right there. But if you don't even get it, still would be very bullish. Market structure shifted on the 1 minute? I don't think so. Technically. Well, did it ever shift to the downside is the question, right? I mean, technically it did. You really have to get above that 50 level for it to shift, in my opinion. But I think we get it. Just when's the question. Oh, may pull back 50%. Hard to know. Difficult to know. Yeah, 50 EMA, I do like that area. You got a couple of opportunities here. Potentially a 21 EMA touch. You know, the bounce off that kind of long could play out as well. Building out a bull flag here, looking like on the 5 minute, or at least trying. Let's see what we get. Man, I am so sleepy today. So sleepy. Don't trade overnight. I don't know if I'll trade tonight, Outer. It's probably going to be very slow. Oh, I don't. Yeah, I'd sleep. When I trade, I'm trading like 6 to 8, 6 to 8:30. I'm definitely sleeping. You want to join this rigged raffle? Do it, Marcine. The afternoons when you can, you got the best chance of winning. You got the best chance of winning in the afternoons. Max, you want to make an appearance? All right. Come on. Woo! All right. All right. Oh, man. You guys want to see... Oh, God. He's so big. You guys want to see the market maker? Here he is. Tell him, Max, say, long on a bark, short on a bark. Depends on what kind of bark. Yes, Raul, I do. It's been happening a lot lately. He's dancing. Can't touch this. All right. We let him down. He doesn't like to be picked up. Yeah, he's the one pressing all the buttons. I'm just sitting here. Oh, let me, I got to sign up for that other prop firm. I'm not really going to promote them, but they're going to give me 10 free accounts. So I'm going to take them because some of you said that you trade with them. Again, I don't know anything about them, but we will pick up the accounts for you guys at the very least. And they're going to give me a free account to trade myself. And then I guess I'll find out more about them then. I might jump on a call or something with them to just see, but oh, come on. They want my website. It's YRM. Max said Dogecoin for sure. You know, feels like it's a Doge, a dog. Sounds like a Doge. But it's YRM prop. I don't know anything about them, but a couple of people said they were trading with them. So they're offering me free accounts. So for that reason, I will get those for you guys. What did that say? Please enter a URL. That is a URL. I mean, what are you talking about? Makes no sense. Yeah, fast track. It could end up being a fast track. I have no idea. That's why I said I'm not going to. So I said it's to be up to you guys. I'm not really going to push it per se. All right. I signed up. We're still long. We break the 50 here, I think we can go. We're looking for the 83 push, but may not get it. Oh, that's the target off that 5 minute. We got a 5 minute bull flag here that just broke too. Could have got re-entered at 37. Stop at 22. I don't know if I'll. Oh, what is this taking me 10 ticks? I didn't know that. I'm going to enter over here on this other account too. Just looking for 50. I'm going to have my stop down here at the 23. There we go. I'm in 8 micros. I need to 50. Send us a link to the YRM prop. I'm not an affiliate with them yet, but I'll send it. I can show you the link. You can kind of look up on it. Should be getting a code here soon, but I don't know. I'm not really going to promote them, I don't think, until I know more about them. Come on, rip it. $50K challenge now, just $47. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know anything about them. I got to look into them. I don't know anything about pricing or anything. I think Kellyanne likes them, though. They have Volumetra, ATOS, Quantower, DXFeed, Volume Book, Vol System, Rise, and Ocean Securities. I do think Kellyanne's spoke positively about them. I need 49.50 to get out of this trade over here. But yeah, I haven't So they have starter accounts and instant prime. Looks like they got a 35% consistency rule in the funded account. 5 minis, 5 micros, 3,000 target, 2,000 drawdown, end of day. 90-10 profit split. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, it looks like they're just newer, but I don't know what the payout stuff is. Yeah, no Ninja, Marcin. I don't think Ninja's accepting new props, are they? No Ninja or Trade of 8. I need that squeeze through the 50 here. Need to squeeze through the 50. Get through there for me. Come on. Get through there, guy. Spike it. This next run should get through there if we can retest it one more time. Trashy Tick Tick was kicked off Trade of 8. I did see that. I'm in pretty heavy over here on this other account. Kind of need it to go. Next resisting 157. Give it to me. Come on, get up there. I'm in heavy over here. Squeeze it. Little bull flag action right there. Five-minute bull flag action. Can't imagine they keep the triple top here. We'll see if they break through it. I don't know. Got it with 10 minis. Let's go. I took it with 330. We're now up on that account $850 on the day. Apex 50K, full port plus 1300. Yeah, it would be nice. You were waiting for breakout and retest for long. Yeah, it would be nice for this thing to get through 60 and like build structure up there, right? I need another $600 on this account to pass. Or 700. Math is hard. We're down to 1 micro here. D-Lo has upgrades to $15 and $19 that beat record revenues and earnings November 12th, but it fell a few times to climb right back up. Let's go, Michael. You're not in the giveaway, guys. Get in the giveaway. Tom Sabo trading style, yeah. 25,157 is a 1 hour OB. Come on, get above 60 here and squeeze. I'm going to move the target up over here on this other one. There's Max making his noise. He's like, woo, 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 get long, long, no shorts, only longs. I heard him say it. Did you guys hear him? Let's see if we squeeze the 60s here. Can we go for another $100 point ripper for the day? Second 100-point trade of the day. Let's go. Potential. Seatbelt ready for the rugged launch. Sit back in your chairs and relax and get ready for the launch party. ES is approaching a key area here. Look at her go. Look at her go. ES is at a key area. Does it just blast through there? It is. 100-point incoming, guys. 100-pointer incoming. Wait for it. Wait for it. Of course, it's going to get, 3 points away from it and pull back. 2 points away. And pull back. That's rude. Very, very rude. I'm going to lock in like 17 and 12, like 30. I'm going to lock in like 30 right there. Had one of those earlier with Husk. Yeah, me too. That's what happened on my Funny Futures. To the moon. Do we move it up higher now? What do you think? It needed to be a mini? Yeah. I'm fine with it being a micro. It's fine. It's fine. I want us to build some structure above 60 here. And then maybe we can continue up. I'm considering adding over here on this other account for a couple of scalps. If ES gets back above 80, I will add for a scalp. Actually, we'll need ES to be above 81. If we could push above 81, I'm going to jump in. I'm going to add over here on this other one. Dude, 25,135 looks good. All right, I'm adding right here. Need that push back into 80. Aggressive over here on this ad, by the way. Retest the 80. It's just a random. Are you talking about on the ES? Because that's like a bull flag breakout kind of type deal. It would get above the high of the previous candle. A very shallow bull flag, but it was one. I'll take a little bit off right there. I'll take this one up to 90. Bam. About to hit the 100 points, guys. What up, Donovan? Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. 100 points. Let's go. 100 points. What it is. Launch again. It indeed. You need to try to figure out how to fix your freaking name. Yeah. It's all right. I remember who you are. Martin says, yay. Let's go. Yes, pushed up there to like the 84. We're right in that zone, though, on the ES. Probably going to take this one off, too. So we need $500 more to pass this account. Yeah, 2 100-point trades today. No, Jonathan, I was not copy trading there. That's a single account. Single account. Up $1,000 day one, though. There we go. Nice start to the day. Nice start to that account after we wrecked the other ones this morning. And this one, we just need $500. You got to get to 54K to pass. I don't know. You guys, where can we go? Somebody said 135. Let's push it up there. We might buy all dips. Buy all dips. Long set up at the 50,050. Yeah, that could work too. I don't hate it. I'm still long over here, guys. I moved my target up to 134. I really don't have anything else marked above here. Let's check it out. We do. It's just up there a ways. Let's mark out this hourly gap because we probably get that inversion before we get the 4 hour. So the hourly gap is up here. Still inside that big hourly gap. Watching Tom and must influence me. Oh yes, 100%. It's all Tom. It's all Tom. It's all Tom. You think you figured it out? Let's go. How did you do it, Donovan? Donovan McNasty. How did you do it? Guys, hit the like button as you're entering the giveaway. Yes, approaching that 85 level. Yes, tapping that 85 level there. Next level up, 805. Do we just squeeze into the end of the day here? Looks like that's what's happening. Still in the long over here. If we get a pullback over here, we may enter long again. But need a decent pullback to do that. A decent pullback. Kind of in that 50 area. Yeah, it's pretty much 50 MA on the 1 minute's down at 42. On the 5 minute, looks like it's rejecting 0.45. I'm going to look for that run back into the 90. Still just squeezing right there at the 80. I want to see it push up and test the 90 here. Murder bot in what, 8 minutes here. We get the market on close 7 minutes. A little murder bot action. It's kind of riding that 9 EMA up here. Squeeze into the 90. Let's see if it can go. I think that's what it's going to do. Tom doesn't move the market with this micro. He's using hairs on his back. Exactly, Marcine. It's a little stronger. It's a little stronger move that you wouldn't know, right? You would have no idea. See if this thing squeezes, though. We need $500 to pass this account. I'm thinking about some sort of action here. It could go good. It could go bad. I think I'm going to buy that 9 one more time over here on this off stream. Been holding that 9 pretty strong. So I think I'm going to buy it one more time. Yeah, MOC is inbound. You don't know what's going to happen with that. It's kind of a gamble, but we have been holding that 9. I'm going to rip it up. Rip it up. See, can we get 10 quick points here? Need to push through like the 87s here. Come on, push it. There we go. Uh-oh, we're close to passing, guys. How many are we in? I need like $100 more. I don't. Is this like 85? Like 90? I think 90 might pass us here. Let's see. We're going to be close. I'm watching it here. What up, iTrade? 50 is your entry. Let's see. As soon as I see it pass through the, let's see. We need $80 from there. 5 points is 50. Right? I mean, I think that's all I need right there. I think that's all I need. I don't know. $950, $970, $975. I need $25, which would be 15 more points from here. That's about the 105, maybe. I'm watching it. I'm watching it, see if it passes through here. We're at 971, 980, 983. $94. Squeeze it. I think the target will pass us. I don't think we quite need that, but $9 more. 94, 96, 97. Come on, go. Well, it's either going to pass it or whip down and stop me out. We can watch it together here. Watch it together. $20 from passing. I think this passes it. It should be right there at it. You see the balance there. Seatbelts ready. Yeah, we got 25 seconds to MOC, so hopefully it just rips us straight up right through the 25,100. I don't know, though. If not, we'll need $50 or $60 to pass. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Let's go. Blast off. Let's go. We passed. We passed her right there in front of you guys live. Thank you, thank you. There we go. So here we are on that account for the day. So these are those accounts on the day right here. All five are now passed. You had to get to 54,000 to pass them. And we passed them, all five. So all five, we'll have 5 funded Fideas accounts starting tomorrow. Fideas 50Ks. So even though we did blow 2 accounts today, we did well on the other accounts after the fact. So did I look at DLO? No, Michael, I don't really look at the stocks, unfortunately, man. It's just not my thing. It's not my thing. And these are these accounts. Didn't take any other trades on these. So green everywhere except for those 2 evals that we failed. Muhammad Adam, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So all green today. How many funded accounts does that take us to? We have 20 Apex. We have 2 Lucid, 22. 3 Buellanox is 25. And then we have 3 Take Private Traders. That's 28. 5 Fideas. So now we're at 33 funded accounts. And we're still working on 5 My Funded Futures, 3 trade days, and 2 more Take Private Traders. So we're at 33. What did I say? 33, and we're working on 3, 5 is 8, 10 more. So probably going to end up right around 43 funded accounts when it's all said and done. And then the idea is to just baby steps. Take baby steps till we get them to pay out. Baby steps. Oh, get more of an idea. Yeah. I don't know, Michael. I'm not great at looking at stocks, to be honest. Yeah, we're going to have Black Friday promos. I can't really tell you what they are. Udaman Ringo. Let's just say there will be the best deal they've had on the Pro account. It will be really affordable. That will come out on Friday. And then Cyber Monday, they'll have another deal as well. That'll be decent. Be pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. So we'll see what happens. And then, you know, obviously you got Tradeify still already doing the 40% off. You got Buellanox 85% off. You got Apex with the 80% off, the $10 activation fee on the 100Ks, $40 activation fee on the others. Use code MYTH for that. Code MM on all the other props. Buellanox, Take Private Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Trade Day. Day Traders is 91% off. Code MM. Funded Futures Network, still buy one, get one free. Code MM. Legends, I'm not sure what they're doing. I think it's 80 or 90. Code MM. Funding Ticks, I think is 30%. Lucid is 30 or 40%. Code MM. And, yeah. There you go. Yeah, for sure, Jonathan. Once I get it there, for sure. We are, so the idea is, I'm going to try to, like, I'm being very conservative right now. Sometime in January, I want to get to payout. That's the idea. Sometime in January. And try to make somewhere around 10 to 20,000 a month in payouts. That's the idea. His prop firm match website is good. What is that, Muhammad? Prop firm match? I've never heard of them. No, Buellanox never waives the fee. It's $143 for the 25K and $148 for the other one. So I do have a code at Fideas too if you want to pick up an account from Fideas. So I don't know what deal they got going on right now, but nice little drop here coming into the 55 candle. We might still make a little play here. Let's see. Here's 55. Didn't really do anything. Do we squeeze into the end of the day? I don't know. I'm gonna look for some 10-point scalps. Let me get up close and personal with you guys right here. Let's get up and close and personal. Tinder for prop firms? I don't know. I wouldn't click on any of those websites, Adam. The reason why is like they're going to have built-in cookies. So once you click on that website, whoever owns it is going to get credit for your sales, your prop firm sales, no matter whose code you put in. That owner will still get credit for the sales. Most of the time they bury cookies in those websites. That's the reason why people come out with those websites, in case you guys didn't know. They bury cookies in there, and you have to accept cookies when you enter the website or whatever, or you have to acknowledge. So, yeah, YRM, they do, Jonathan. I'm signing up with them. I don't have anything with them yet, and they're giving me 10 free accounts to give away. They might have already, let me see. I don't know if they already did it or not. Let me see. All right. I don't want to miss my entry here. Or my ad. We are coming into the final minutes here. These are bastards. Yeah, that's how they get you. That's why they want you to do that's why they want you to do that whole website thing. So we can squeeze more into the end of the day. Maybe not. Very risky trades right here. Very risky into the end of the day. Gonna kind of need to hold this level here, though. I'm willing to give up a couple $100 of profit here if need to. Final 2 minutes of the day right here. If it loses 90, we're probably going down to the 60s, to be honest. You follow Mamba Live Trade, $39 a month. I don't know who that is. Mamba Live. Never heard of him. Earnings after the bell, not that I know of. I don't know, Jonathan. Quantower's been having issues lately too. I have not heard of Mamba Live. I don't know who that is. But it doesn't mean that he's not, any good. I just don't know who he is. All right, into the final minute here, guys. 10 seconds. Oh, you're going to get into FTMO soon. Watching the 90. Needs to hold. Got to start pushing in the next 15, 20 seconds. Otherwise, I'm just going to get out. If we get back above 90, I'll probably add into it. Ten seconds. risque, risque. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's watch it. No, I'm in longs. Just need a little bounce. A retest of the 90 will get out. All right. We tried it. That's all we can do. Ooh. Could be a long here. You hope Tom is not buying it this time. You found a trader named SCI? I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. Yeah, I'm not going to panic right there, right? It's fine. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you guys want to enter the giveaway. We might enter one more time here. Giveaway in rug pull. Exactly. I may try this one more time here. I'm going to go for 10 points, though. I'm going to go for 10 points. We'll go... I'm going to go 5 if I can get them all on here. Don't ask me why I'm putting them on separately. I have no idea. Should pop back into the 110s if we get through the 100 again. Let's see. If you guys aren't in the giveaway, exclamation point MM for a free 50K core account from My Fund of Futures. I don't know why I didn't just do it this way. I don't think I'm going to get tagged in. Pine Tree in the house. We're doing a giveaway, Michael. We're doing a giveaway. Get in the giveaway. Exclamation point MM. Copy everyone else in the chat. Hit the like button. Pine Tree, how'd you do today? How'd you do today, guy? That 5-minute inside bar I paid, but I missed it this morning. Yeah, me too. I blew 2 My Fund of Futures accounts, but I passed 5 Fideas accounts. See, I'll show you guys what we did here before we leave. My Fund of Futures were up 1,000 on this account, and then we passed all these. 1,000, 1,400, 400, 400, and 1,500. We passed them. And then we're green over here on all this stuff. So I think I'm up to 33 funded accounts now. I think that's what we counted, right? 20, 23, 26, 28 plus 5 is 33. So yeah, 33 fundeds. Let's go. Everyone had the success in the trading world. Remember, over $12 trillion being traded daily. Nice. Daily payout, blew some cores. All right, I'm not going to take this trade anymore. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway. If you're not in, sorry about your luck. And the winner is, drum roll, please. I can't do it. Hold on. Yes, 30 of us here an hour ago. Well, we got 82 now, so you still got good chances. Still got good chances. When it's like 250 in there, you know. So, yeah, we're loaded, Tech T, but we also got a lot of money on the line, right? But we've done very good at, you know, trying to keep it there, so. And the winner is Homer Sim 7973. Homer Sim 7973, where you at? Rigged. Homer Sim 7973, ¿Dónde está? Is he here? All right, let me set the timer. 3 minutes. Oh, he's here. There he is. Michael, it's too late. All you had to do was type in the chat !MM like everybody else was doing. Homer, send me... Hey, Dutang the Crypto Surfer. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. So, Homer, send me a screenshot showing that you're logged into your account here. And send me your My Funded Futures email that you used to log in. And I'll get that over to you. Leandro Robinson, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Let's go. Looks like we pushed above 8,000 finally, so let's go. Took a minute. Guys, that's going to do it for me today. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. if you want to join me for a little degeneracy. We'll be having 33 funded accounts tomorrow at 9 a.m. Let's go. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect your